We're looking at a Lennox EL22 XPV heat pump. The Elite series from Lennox. It's currently running for heating in Libertyville, Illinois. 30 degrees outside temperature. This unit, it's a 48,000 BTUs, is keeping the upper level of this 5,000 square feet home cozy and heat. Again, EL22 XPV 048, super efficient unit. Just completed the installation. Fully variable capacity, variable speed inverter, and fully communicating, which means it's gonna maintain very precise comfort year round, both for heating and cooling. Awesome unit.